Ready to transform your Wix website from amateur hour to a seriously professional online presence? First, ditch that default template, choose a clean, modern template specifically designed for your niche. Head to the template library and strategically pick one. Next, Typography Matters. Stick to one or two professional fonts throughout your site. Too many fonts look cluttered and unprofessional. Keep it consistent and readable. Color scheme disasters are a web designer's worst nightmare. Select a limited color palette of 23 colors that complement your brand. Use a color palette generator or consider your brand's colors. Ditch the blurry, low-resolution images. High-quality images are a must. Use professional photos or invest in quality stock photos. Your images are just as important as your content. Simplify your navigation. A confusing website is a turn-off. Make it easy for visitors to find what they need with clear, concise navigation menus. Think user experience UX. Ensure your website is easy to navigate, loads quickly, and is mobile-friendly. Test your website in preview mode throughout your development. Don't overcrowd your design. Your website needs room to breathe. Use whitespace strategically to create a clean and appealing layout. Use whitespace to separate different elements in your design. Optimizing your website for mobile and desktop use is key to get a broader audience. Always check how your site works on both of these devices. Having clear call to action buttons will help users quickly do business and not waste time trying to figure out what steps they should take next.